If you give your heart to me, I no go let you go. Where I no go do you, basa basa, baby, trust in me. When you give your heart to me, I no go let you go. Where I no go do you, basa basa, baby, trust in me. I go do your body like skin tight.
Hey guys, so welcome to this week's tutorial, and it's a DIY on how to make your own aloe vera powder. Now forgive my voice, I have a cold, but aloe vera powder is a miracle plant known for several health benefits. It has antiviral and antibacterial properties. It contains 18 of the 20 amino acids found in the body. It contains vitamin A, B, C, and E. Organic aloe vera powder adds moisture, conditions the hair, nourishes new growth, soothes and heals an irritated scalp, helps stimulate growth, balances pH of the scalp. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Okay, so after you are done cutting it, you are going to arrange it on a flat surface, and depending on how big or small you cut it, the drying time will either take 2 or 3 days. Mine took 2 days because of how I cut it, and I left it in the sun, just the sun. And after it dried, you can see how it looked. In between the green, outer layer, you find the gel inside. So I just put it in the blender and blended it up, and that's how I got the aloe vera powder. I love it because adding it to my henna mask has been a game changer. It's very moisturizing, and I just love aloe vera powder. You can also use it in a face mask. You just add honey and you are good to go.